You want your text to be marked. The way to do it is, we already have a copy. We'll just be using this sentence as an example. Control V. You come here, put the mark. Just write your mark. Also come here, write your mark. You save. You save. Let's go to the browser and see how it appears. Can you see? The mark puts it in, it highlights it. It highlights your text. You understand? The mark highlights your text. Like in the Microsoft Word, whenever you want to highlight your text, this is how it will appear. You want it to have a feel, a background feel. This is how it appears. But in the code, in coding, we'll call it mark. When you want your text to be marked, this is how it will appear. So you use the mark element to highlight your text. This is it. You can see where we put it. You put your mark in between, inside, after the P element, you put your mark. You close it with the mark. You're good to go. Then when you want to put delete, there is what we call the delete tag. Let us do an example too. What we are just doing here is text formatting. We are using the same text. Come here, put the del. If you want your text to be striked, you use the del. The delete, this is the delete element. You use the del. The same way you've been doing the others. You save it. You see how your text will appear on your browser. Can you see? Your text is striked, like it's deleted, but you don't want it to be out of the. You can see that your text is striked. So in the Microsoft Word, we call it the strike through, right? The strike. But in coding, we call it the deleted text. You can see it will just strike your text. Now let us use the small. If you want your text to be small, you want to make it small, we'll be using the same thing. Control V. You come here, put the small elements. You write your small. Also come here too. You write the small. You save. Let's see how it appears on our browser. We'll refresh. You can see that the text is small compared to the other ones we've written. It makes your text small. If you want your text to be small, so this is how to format in HTML. You know, in Microsoft Word, you have all these things in the menu. You can just select it and it will start working for you. But in the coding, you are the one to put all these things in the notepad. Then if you want to insert text, you want your text to be inserted, let us format this very text to insert. What the insert element does on your text is that it underlines your text. It underlines it. You can see the one we've formatted. You can see how it underlined our text. And you use the ins element to insert your text. So whenever you see all this format in the VS Code or on all these advanced editors, you can equally know what it stands for. You understand? So in the notepad, you write all these things, but when you're using advanced tools, you can equally see all these tools, and whenever you come across any of it, you know what is simply signifying.